Hi, I'm Chef Ayo Cherry, and this is Food School. Today, we are gonna make our beautiful bechamel, and then we're gonna turn that into a mornay sauce. Let's go. So we're gonna start with our bechamel, which you can use in really beautiful applications like lasagna, but then we're gonna add cheese to it, turn it into a mornay, and then you can make fun stuff like nachos, mac and cheese, fondue, amazing. You don't need to be a chef to know how to make a mother sauce. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So first we're gonna add our butter, and we're gonna make a roux, but we are going to make a white roux because you don't want it to be too dark. And whisk them together until the butter melts and they form a little paste. I also have some milk in the pan in front of me, and I'm just getting it hot because once you create a roux, you don't want to add cold liquid to it because it gets chunky. You want to add warm liquid to it so it dissolves and it creates a nice, smooth base for your sauce. So I'm just whisking until my butter melts all the way. But as you can see, we already have a paste forming. And I'm just gonna keep going until I get these last little chunks. It's not imperative that you melt all the butter because the milk is gonna do some of it, but you wanna have a good idea of the texture of your roux before you add the milk. I'm gonna add my milk to it, and I'm just gonna whisk while it's happening, just to help it dissolve. I love making a bechamel mostly because when you add cheese to it, it becomes like this amazing, magical thing. So I'm gonna turn the heat on this guy up a little. And you don't wanna scald the milk because then it tastes burnt and you have to start over. There's zero cure for that. This is food school, not Hogwarts. No cure for that. So then I'm just gonna keep whisking until the roux incorporates and it thickens up the milk. A really good telltale way to know if your sauce is getting there, you'll start to see it stick to the sides of the pot. I'm gonna like roll it around a little. It's getting there. Okay, so my bechamel has thickened up. She smells delicious. And she is officially thick enough to coat the spoon, which in culinary school is called NAPPE. She thick. So this is our bechamel, but this is only the beginning. So now I'm gonna add some flavor to her. I'm gonna put some thyme in there. I'm gonna grate some fresh nutmeg in here. Not a lot, just enough to give it some flavor. We're gonna add some Parmesan and some Gruyere, all the cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. You just wanna make sure your cheese is melted, it's not grainy. You wanna make sure the whole thing just gets like velvety smooth. All right, so this texture is beautiful. She needs a little salt, and that's it. Super simple. Mother sauce to mornay. You could put this on nachos, on mac and cheese. You can just put it in your mouth. Oh, that's a cheese pull. That's our mornay.